Hey guys, open this mini package with me. So we already know the smell of Boo-Boo. Probably Croc-Ton. I always know what it is. Because it's literally Croc-Tons. I'm telling you. My mom always buys Labubu Croc-Tons and stuff like that. Stitch Croc-Tons. Random things for no reason. Or this might just be stuff for me. Just random things that I ordered. That I asked for her to buy me. Like that haircut thing that I wanted. Or this is from my cousin because she said she did buy something for me. Okay. I'm opening it. Probably Croc-Tons. I don't think it's like a haircut or something. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. I know. I know. Oh, guys, it's a pin for love. Labubu. Oh, it is a Labubu. I should have think more. This is from AliExpress. This is definitely real. There's a barcode on it. Why is it scratched off? Literally scratched off T. Does that mean I'm gonna get tea or something? Okay. Yay! Red rip, red rip. Red rip. Also, these bags are adorable. Don't look. I'm not letting you look. I'm scared. I don't know why. I'm scared. I can't open this.
Which one do you want?
The purple one. But it literally scratched off purple.
Maybe that means it's not the purple one.
Or maybe it means I did get the purple one. I think I might got the purple one.
What's the secret?
I think one of the brown ones. But don't look inside the box. I really don't want you to.
Okay, I'm not.
I got the purple one. I got the purple one. I got the purple one. I got the purple. Why is this? Are there stickers? There's stickers?
Poison.
Poison.
It's real.
It's real.
The blue one's cute too. And the blue one's for your name.
Oh my god.
Who's T for?
T?
TT? Toby?
Oh yeah. So I'm pretty sure I have U and V. And now I have T.
No, you have V and you have like G from the A through M collection. Remember,
Yeah.
there's 2 collections.
Guys, I'm literally putting this on my freaking folder. Where's my folder? Bye.